mentioned retired military. I'm curious, what are some of the learnings from the military that you were able to that you brought over to maintenance and reliability, and how has that shaped your thinking about maintenance and reliability?
Great question. First and foremost, I think, through the military, it kind of taught me the discipline to be detailed.
Yeah.
And, because I think success in the M&R community really is about those details, right? So if you can't explain the small details and how they interact with the larger details, you're going to have a hard time bringing people on board to what you're wanting to do.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So that, and then of course from the military, just the basic framework of work order management, work execution management, the different types of work, if you will. Yeah, just kind of brought that here with me.